Now let us take another chapter as such called equivalent force systems. Equivalent force systems. Equivalent force systems. Okay. So now, uh, one of the things what has to be understood is, okay, so there are different types of forces, right? Okay. Now, if I have two forces, for example, you have a force F1 and a force F2, you can find the resultant between these two, correct? That resultant can be, so F is the equivalent force, correct? This is F is a Fr is actually equivalent force. Now, in case you have so many forces, you can always calculate the equivalent force, right, on a rigid body. Very important, it has to be on a rigid body, correct? If it is a rigid body, you can always calculate the equivalent force, correct? So you say this is F1 and you say this is F2, then you say, for example, if I change the this one, very easy one, this is it. So I can say with respect to this here, and then with respect to this here, I can say this is F12 resultant. Let me put it. This is the resultant of F12, correct? Similar way, I can put like this. Say let this be 3, okay? So let me put it here. Let me say this is F31 or 13, okay? Then you can have the resultant between those two as the total resultant, correct? So I can have something. See between these two. This is the F result, correct? So this way we can find the resultant forces. Very simple. So this F resultant is the equivalent force, correct? So any number of forces you can have. This can also be said like this. It can also be said the equivalent forces can be said in this fashion also. We can say if F1 is equal to say Fx1i plus Fx2j plus Fx3k, F2 is equal to Fx2i plus Fx2j, this is Fx1, I'm sorry. Just a second, Fx1. This is, sorry, I'll write Fy1, and this is Fz1. This is Fy2 plus Fz2. Okay. F3 can be Fx3i plus Fy3j plus Fz3. Okay. So my F equivalent is equal to Fx1 plus Fx2 plus Fx3 plus so on, I plus Fy1 plus Fy2 plus Fy3 plus so on, J plus Fz1 plus Fz2 plus Fz3 plus so on. Simple. This you knew already, student. Nothing great in that. Write this down. Nothing great in this. This you know. Okay. Now the question that arises is, what is meant by equivalent force system? I've just answered how equivalent force system can be taken, is it not? Close कर समझिए. So online classes are going everywhere. My kids are also having online classes now. Then students, okay, now what is meant by equivalent force system? Can I go further? Have you written this down?
So 1 minute.
So 1 minute, 1 minute.
Don't worry. Aram se.
Done.
Very good. Okay. Now let us see further. Okay. Now, what is the importance of equivalent force system? Let us understand. Okay. Now, the main thing what happens is the equivalent force must produce the same effect on the rigid body, as produced by the forces that is actually acting on the rigid body. Simple. One of the main thing is that whatever is simple, we have to put it in words, then we will understand. So what is equivalent force? Equivalent force must produce the same effect on the rigid body as produced by forces that is actually acting on the rigid body. Important. Correct. And also second one, okay, the equivalent force system, let us understand, okay, must produce the same effect. Now when you say effect, there are two types of effect. What are the effects? effects, when you say, it may be push and pull, push or pull effect. Another effect is rotation. So equivalent forces should give the same effect, that is equivalent force system, equivalent force system must produce one the same push or pull as the actual forces. Two, the same rotation, the same turning action. You can say turning action, that means torque action. Okay, turning action, same turning action about a point in space as produced by the actual forces. That is what is meant by equivalent force systems. Very, very simple, very important. Actually, I feel that in our mechanical engineering or civil engineering, this particular subject has to be given much more importance than what is given now. We generally assume that this is being done in PUC and it will not be done in PUC, it will not be done here also. Even if it is done in PUC, it has to be repeated. Okay. We don't give importance to repetitions. And the evaluation methodology is also not proper. Especially the autonomous colleges are not made accountable, for the quality of students they are producing. In terms of a person student is good or bad, it depends on the individual intelligence. I'm not saying just because a student can clear campus selections doesn't mean the people, the faculty have done their job, the university has done their job. Because campus selection, they don't see other things. Okay? They see whether they can train him or not. A student being good in his intelligence and he is learnable, that does not say anything about the college. Correct? It says a lot about student. That's it. But whether student has the faculty or the college or the university has delivered that knowledge, whether their methods are proper, there is no way to see that. You have NBA and all those things, they say, but honestly, nobody has done it. Nobody evaluates teaching strength of a faculty. There is no way to evaluate in today's today's you evaluate based on students' feedback. Now, students' feedback is based on the marks they give. A professor who is very nice in the class, the professor who is giving marks will get nice evaluation. Correct? So the evaluation methodology itself is wrong. The evaluation methodology should be like this: whether a student can reproduce things. Does he understand? There has to be a body which tests that. In all the at least NBA accredited colleges, or the university, just LIC committee comes, when local investigation committee comes of VTU, they should not just go on this one. They have to put what you say. They have to put all the faculty. They have to give their ranking. If there is no competitive spirit in the among the faculty, then excellence cannot be produced. Not just PhD and so many what you say things being what do you say, how much papers they produce. That should not be the way engineering college student faculty should be judged. Correct. Done, students?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now next. Now let us see what should happen here. Okay. Now, first of all, let us see in that to find out the equivalent force system, there are some methodologies to be used. First one in that is translation translation of a force translation of a force to a parallel position, to a parallel position. Let us see how we can translate a force to a parallel position. Okay, now let us consider a system here. Say this is x, or this is y, this is x, this is z. Okay, now if I consider a rigid body here, say this is the rigid body, this is the rigid body. On the rigid body, we will have at point something here. Okay, or let us have like this. Okay, let us have a force which is acting over here. Let this be force F. Let me use a separate color. Force, let it be in red color. Let there be a force acting over here. Say this is force F. Now this force, if I translate to another position here, say this is position A, this position A I have to translate. So if I have to translate this, what should I do is, let me put a force here and then a force here. Now this would be equivalent to having, say at a distance, this has a perpendicular distance of D. Now what happens? Let us see. Now in this fashion, when you do, this will produce the equivalent force like this. So translation of force, when we translate the force to a new position, when we translate the force to the new position. Okay, if I have the same thing, it's the same thing there, students. Okay, so if I translate to the new position at this point A, you will have, because of this force and this force, there is a couple acting, and this couple I can act anywhere in that plane. Correct. So I can say that couple at A, what is happening, the equivalent force is, there is a couple here and then there is a force here F. So this one which was here is translated to position A, having a couple which is equal to F into D. Correct. The couple here comes as FD. That is the magnitude of the couple. FD is the magnitude of the couple. Makes sense? So what is happening if I say here another point, I'll say, okay, yeah, that's how it is. Okay, these are the things which has to be understood. Make sense, students? Hello.
Force
Sir,
direction reverse, no, sir.
Direction reverse. Yes, yes, yes. Direction reverse. Yes, it is going in the other direction. Correct. So that's how the things can be done.
Sir, even the force, sir.
Yes, sir.
Even the force, yes, yes, yes. Even the force is in the reverse direction. Why? Because this force and this force produces the moment, right? This force and this force produces the moment. So the force also has to be reversed. I'm very sorry. This force is F here. So this force has been translated to a new position. So when it is translated to a new position, you get a couple there. This is one of the important thing which we have to understand. Okay.
Sir, the
Hmm.
couple is calculated based on right hand rule, right? So,
Right hand rule, yes.
yes, sir. Then it should be outward.
Should be
Outward, right?
the
First,
couple
they will be
direction.
goes to the.
The couple direction should be outwards, yes.
Yes.
So if I draw a couple here, I'll write in yellow. Okay. So if I draw a couple here, it should be in this fashion. This is the couple. I am writing yellow so that it will not look very nicely. Okay. In the sense it is not being seen, is it not? It comes like a ghost. Correct. Yellow looks good only on black screen, correct? Not here. Yeah, write this down, students. Okay. Now let us understand still more better. Okay. In the next slide, we will understand this still better. Okay. So what is the main point here is this. Okay, let us change the color. Ink. So the main point is that, okay, for shifting, for shifting a force to pass through, to pass through some new point, some new point, we need to introduce, or we introduce a couple whose couple moment, whose couple moment equals the moment of the force, moment of the force, moment of the force about this new point, about this new point. Let us see with examples. Okay. Let us understand with the example. Okay. Then we will consider a beam also. On a beam, how couple is acting. So is all equivalent forces. Okay, very important. Okay, this is also important for vibrations. Okay, very simple, but we need to spend time on this. Done. Very good. Next point.
Sir, wait a minute.
Yeah, sure.
Done, sir.
Very good. Let us go further. Example, another example. Okay. Question. Question is this. Okay. A force F is equal to 6I plus 3J plus 6K Newton goes through a point whose position vector is R1 is equal to 2I plus 6J plus 10K meters. Replace this force by an equivalent force system by an equivalent force system for purposes of rigid body mechanics, that is okay, going through position replace this force by an equivalent force system going through the position P, whose position vector is R2, which is equal to 6I plus 10J plus 12K. Can we do it, students? Okay. Now the question is, you have a force somewhere, okay, which is 6I plus 3J plus 6K, and this has to act somewhere at other point. Okay, let us use the same XYZ. Okay, so we have R1, which is equal to 2I plus 6J plus 10K. Okay, and along this there is a force acting along that line. We have a force acting. There is a force acting here. The force acting is equal to whatever the force. Okay, now we want that force on another position P, which is given by R2. Can we do that, students? How to get that? So we have to move this here. How to move? So we have to move this force over here. How to do that? So let us introduce two forces here, students, correct? This one and this one. So this force and this force will, this particular force and this particular force will go as a couple. What is the couple moment? Couple moment C is equal to, you can say E crossed with F, which is equal to R1 minus R2 crossed with F. Why it should be R1 minus R2 only, students? Why it should be R1 minus R2? Because it is going in this fashion. You can say like this, okay? R1 minus R2. So that is a distance, correct? That is a distance by which it has to be moved. Whenever we take the moment about this point, the direction should be here like this. Very important. We are taking the moment about this point, keep in mind. So it is R1 minus R2 crossed with F. Can we do that, students? This also comes because R1 is with respect to F. R2 is with respect to minus F. Make sense? That is why R1 minus R2 into F. Can you calculate what is that, students? What is the couple you get? Okay, that's it. Only the couple you have to find out, nothing else. Find out C, students. That's it. Then you replace it. Simple and straight. Very, very easy question. See whether you get this as minus 48I plus 12J plus 42K Newton meter. See whether you get that, students. I think I did a mistake, students. Okay, the mistake is here. I'm very sorry. This is J, not 6J. Change this here. See here, students, R1 is 2I plus J plus 10K. Make that change. This is correct. 6I plus 10J plus 12K. This is correct. Okay, and here 6, 3, 6. Correct. Only this one change you do, students. Okay, R1 value. How many of you understood how to do this? How many of you did not understand the method? Why did I do it? How many of you did not understand? Aditya. Okay. Aditya, what did you not understand? Shane, what did you not? Yeah, Aditya, tell me what you did not understand.
Yes, sir. I didn't get why R1 minus R2 and yes, sir. Only that R1 minus R2.
Okay. See, R1 minus R2 is because when you take the couple moment, what you take? You take R1 into F, R1 crossed with F, plus we have R2 crossed with minus F, correct? Makes
So
sense?
why is it minus F, sir?
Because this is F we are considering. See here. This is F we are considering. What would be this? This would be minus F, is it not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So couple is always like that, is it not? This is minus F.
Yes. So what about the line extended after R2?
This one. You're talking
Yes.
about this one.
Yes. Yes, sir.
That, see, what we are doing is when we have to replace the force here, we say minus F and plus F. Can I do it like this?
Yes, sir.
At this point, if I have two equivalent forces, which is minus F and plus F, it cancels, is it not?
Yes, sir. Correct.
So we have this F and this F producing moment,
Yes, sir.
and this is the force which is remaining.
Yes, sir.
So the same thing we have done here, observe.
Yes, sir.
This F and this F produces the moment FD,
Yes, sir.
and this F remains.
Yes.
So actually what we have done, we have translated F from this position to this position.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Sir,
Yes.
in the previous slide, sir,
Hmm.
one second. Sir, in the second figure, the remaining f, whatever is there, it's in the negative direction.
It is not in the negative direction. It is in the same direction as f. You see,
Yes, sir, correct, sir, correct.
f we have defined it as f. Whether minus plus all those things, you don't worry about those things. Okay, this we have taken it as positive direction. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Shane, what doubt did you have?
Cleared, sir, cleared.
Same code doubt you had? Fine.
So answer will come.
Come, no? Who got the answer?
Yeah. So Deepesh.
Deepesh. Very good, Deepesh. Okay. Now, next one, similar question. Okay. Anybody, people try this question first of all. Everyone who did not get the answer till now, who did not get the answer, raise your hands. Raise your hands who did not get the answer till now. Aditya, Shane, others got the answer. Everyone got the answer. Sai Nandan, Shiveja,
Solving, sir.
solving. Please solve. Please solve. Prathamesh got the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Gyanendra,
Yes, sir. Got sir.
Sheldon,
Sir, done.
very good. Okay. Yeah, others, please do it fast. Later on, we will move to the other question. Students, the students who are say have done a problem very fast early, what they have to do, they have to go back, flip the pages, see it again, see whether they can reproduce, whether say from the first class whatever we have done, is it there with you, that we have to see again and again. More and more practice you do, more better it is. Practice is like that in the class only. It's a competition, students, keep in mind, it's a competition. This is a competitive exam, and competition is what makes us strong. Not destructive competition, constructive competition.
Sir, if we take R2 minus R1, we'll get negative couple.
Exactly. Correct.
Yeah, but what does it mean? It means that couple is at R1 or
No,
just
it's negative couple. When you get, it means that you have not taken the R1, R2 properly. That's it.
okay.
It's a wrong answer. Makes sense.
Yeah,
Hello,
sir.
Diviraj.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
R1, R2 has to be taken properly. If you take R2 minus R1, it is not the right answer.
Done, sir.
Done. Very good. Everybody got it? Aditya got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Shane?
Yes, sir.
Shane? Yes, very good. Now, next one.
Yes, sir.
Similar one, simple questions. Okay. Simple questions. Okay. Another one. Example question 2. Again, a simple question. Okay. The question is something like this, students. Let me change the color. Okay. So let us have a plane here. On this plane, let us draw a line like this. Let it be a bit. Wait a minute, students. Take time to write this. Okay. So plane here. Okay. And here, let me draw an angle. Line here like this. Then let me go below this way. And then let us go in this fashion. So let us say this is Z, this is Y, this is Y, and this is X. Okay. Along this, let us take There is a rod here, students, like this, okay? And then it comes down something like this. And then it goes something this way. Okay, so now this rod which is coming here bent in this fashion. Okay, now this rod which is there here, there is a force of 100 Newton acting in such a way that this is, I'll use a separate color here. Let me use blue color. Okay, let us say this is 7. As usual, making it complicated so that we will get the proper things. Correct, students? So now let us say this is 7, this side is 7, this side is 8, and this side is 10. Okay, and then let us have a force which is acting from this point, in this direction, in the diagonal direction. Okay, so this force which is acting along the diagonal has a magnitude of 100 Newton. The one which is acting along the diagonal has the unit of 100 Newton. Okay, has the magnitude of 100 Newton. This is the has the magnitude of 100 Newton. Now the sizes, let us see on this direction. If I take this distance here is 10 meters. This distance over here is 8 meters, and this distance over here is also 8 meters. This distance also here is 8 meters. Okay, now you have to find out the equivalent force system. Find the equivalent force system at point A. What is point A? Point A is this point A. And say this is point, okay, only one point. This is point B. Okay, let us find the equivalent force system at point A. That's it. So this is the question. Can you do it, students? This shows how well you have understood all the concepts till now. Vectors especially.
Sir, ಅದೇ ಎಂತ 8 10 7 is the cube this
ಅದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಿಲಿಮೀಟರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ನರ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಈ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
So B to E.
B to E. Yes.
Okay, okay.
ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಚಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತೇನೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಸರ್, ಸಾಕು.
ಓಕೆ, B to E ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Is there anyone who don't understand Kannada here? Everybody understands Kannada, right? Good. Sometimes if I miss, I'll see that I'll speak in English only because others are there. Like Abhik is there, who is from Bengal. Ishan is there. Okay. So these people cannot understand Kannada. Okay. We have another faculty joining us, students. Her name is Zeenat Farida. She is a she's a PhD from NUS Singapore. Okay, and she was a postdoctoral fellow in IIT Madras. Okay, so that's how we met. Okay, she has more than around 20 to 23 years of experience. Okay, very nice teacher. She's mechanical. Okay, thermal. She's working in combustion area actually. So she want to teach.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if we want to find out the F vector,
Hmm.
so then we have to take like the vector BE. We can take it like that, sir.
Yes, we can take BE, but BE vector, what is the units? It is a unit of 7, 10, and 8, is it not?
Yes, sir.
So what should we take? We should take the force here, is it not?
Yeah.
What is the force? 100 Newton is a magnitude, but what is the force vector?
That is unit vector we have to multiply.
Exactly, that's it. That is the understanding you have developed now. So find out the force vector. First of all, find out the force vector. See whether you get the force vector as minus 48I minus 68.5 J plus 54.8 K. If you get this, your first job is done. Once that is done, you have to find C vector, which is equal to the R vector. R vector is R, you can say BA or AB. It is AB. RAB crossed with RAB crossed with what? The F vector. That's you get the couple. Simple and sweet.
It is basically moment about a point.
Exactly correct. That's correct. Correct. That is what is couple here. So couple and moments are interchangeable. Okay. How many of you did not get the force, first of all? How many of you did not get the force? Aditya, others, Shane, and others. Everybody got the force? Sheldon. Okay. Ramakrishna. Do you know how to find out? Shane, Aditya?
Yes, yes, solving, sir.
Solving, no? Okay.
Yes.
Students, we have the best of the teachers. Okay, much more people are joining us. But yeah, that will take time. Maybe next year we can use everybody's how do you say services.
So generally, 3 decimal places enough for not to solve problem.
Yeah, enough. No, see, those things will be taken into consideration. Okay, by the people who will in gate. 3 decimal place is more than enough.
They will give like a range of values within that.
Range of value. I'll show you. Observe. I will show you in gate old question papers. Okay. So if you go to old question papers, you'll say mechanical engineering 2021. Okay. So if you say the answer keys, say I'll say M1. Okay, answer keys. See here. Now these are the answer keys. Okay. Now observe here. Question 8, 373 to 377. Any answer is right. 134 to 136. 228 to 230. 008 to 012. Correct. The range which is given. Observe. 40200 to 40300. Correct. Makes sense. Similarly. Yes. Got the answer, students? Hello. How many of you have got the answer? Got the couple? Raise your hands. How many of you have got the couple properly? Raise your hands. No? No one? Ashutosh.
I got the couple. I don't know the
Huh? No, Ashutosh. I'm not getting what you said. The answer is
minus 931.78J minus 1068.8K.
correct. Simple. This is the answer.
Correct, sir.
Correct.
Yes.
This is the textbook answer. One more problem we will do, then we will stop. Okay. This topic. Then we will go to the next topic, which is resultant of a force system, which is already done. First only I have done that. Okay. But still we will do much more problems on that. Okay.
I got it, sir.
Very good. Others, how many of you have not got till now?
So I got F. I am doing couple now.
Okay, okay. Please do it fast. Okay. Yes. Don't worry about speed. Okay. If you're not getting the speed now, don't worry. Continuously do it. You'll get the speed naturally. And to increase the speed, one of the things you can do is once the concept is clear, not previous, once the concept is clear, make mental calculation as much as possible. That will increase your speed. And now the people who have got the answer, go back to the previous topics and review it, revise it. Okay. And let me tell you, students, the problems like casting, what to say, our topics like casting and geotechnical is similar. Okay. You need to have a, how to say, subject understanding, theoretical understanding more, is it not? So that needs again and again reading, okay, and imagining. Okay, imagination is important for casting or geotechnical. Both the subjects are similar, okay, in their ways, because both uses mud, is it not? Here we use sand, there they use mud, is it not? Sand is also there in geotechnical, but still it's similar in terms of nature, although the contents are different, correct? In geotechnical also you are worried about erosion. Here also you are worried about erosion. Right? In geotechnical we are worried about pressure. Okay, because of the because of the mud which is coming. Here also we are worried about pressure in casting. And theoretical subjects are much easier to crack, but in gate if you know only then you can answer. If you don't know, you cannot answer. So the preparation happens before the answer happens before your class only, before your exam only. It's very important. Okay.
Done, sir.
Done. Very good. Next problem is like this. Simple one, very easy one also, which comes in your, it's a beam. Okay, it's a fixed beam. On this fixed beam, okay, let us have like this. I'm sorry. Let us have a fixed beam. Okay, and then let us say this is Z and this is Y and this is the beam. Okay, and here this is the beam. I'm sorry. On this fixed cantilever beam, there is one force which is acting at a distance of 3 meters. Over a distance of 3 meters. It has a force, let it be 3 meters somewhere here. 3 meters. It has a force whose magnitude is 1000 Newton. Whose magnitude is 1000 Newton, is acting at an angle of 45 degree. Then at a distance of 2 meters, you have a force which is acting here, which has 500 Newton as the force there, and a distance of 1.1 meters. 1.1 meter. There is another force here of 500 Newton. Okay. Now the question over here is determine the equivalent force. Okay. Replace. The question is replace the force system acting on the beam by a single force. by a single force. Determine the distance, all those things you have to determine, students. Okay, tell me, where does that single force act? So the whole thing, these are various forces are there. We have to put it as a single force. Can we do that? Single force of 1000 Newton. Let us replace this by single force of 1000 Newton. Replace this
Replace anywhere.
anywhere. The place we have to say, that's it.
I mean, like it is fixed or like we decide.
Which one? We decide where it is. This 1000 Newton is what is fixed. We have to say that this 1000 Newton force, where I have to move such that it produces the same effect as 1000 plus 500 plus 500.
Sir, here
Now
we have to find the value of E, no, sir?
value of
E, that is, couple
yes,
is equal
we may
to,
say like, yeah, the equivalent might act something like this. Okay, so yes, you have to find out the distance E, correct? So if it is like this, then it may so happen, it may be anywhere. Okay, so this is point A, I will say, and somewhere you will have point E. It might be here, point E, 1000 Newton, or it may be somewhere here, 1000 Newton. So what you have to find out is, you have to find out the distance between A and this particular equivalent force being acted. That's it. Whatever the distance E is, okay, or we can say E or D. D can be the use, anything you can use. Okay, we will use D. Okay, so you have to find what is D, right? This side or that side, anywhere. But the direction of the force should be the same, 1000 newtons. So now one of the things we have to understand, let us see what happens because of this. What is the moment which is acting? Let us do it. Okay, because I think
Does the resultant force have an angle with the beam?
yes, the angle is the same as 45 degree. It is same as 45 degree. You have to find out what is the force where it is acting. That's it. Okay. So now what we can do here is this particular force which is there, here it is there, is it not? From here we will go. Okay. Now this force is 1000 Newton, fine. Then you have over this, there is a couple which is acting. What is the couple which is acting here? It is 500 into 1.1, is it not? So 550 Newton meter is the couple in this direction, correct, students? Direction is correct. 550 Newton meter in this direction, the couple is acting. Okay. Now this has to move in such a way that this will counteract this couple, correct? So if it has to move for a distance so that it will counteract this couple, what should happen? You must have a force over here and here. Now observe this and this, when it is moved on this direction, it will have a
direction of couple direction. Couple direction
direction wrong, is it?
Ulta.
Ulta, I'm sorry.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise, I'm sorry. Couple direction ulta. Okay. Now if this is the couple direction, to reverse that, what is the couple direction we must have? The reverse of that, clockwise, is it not? So you see this one and this one, will produce these two, one will produce, so if I say 1000 Newton and 1000 Newton, this say 1 and 2 will produce a force, a couple which is opposite to this direction. Now what should we do? We should find this distance, that is d into e, or this d distance we have to find out. That's it. Okay, so let us see how to do that. Okay, so what should happen? D into I, because this is x direction, observe, this is x direction. Okay, so from the point it is acting to the point of the force, it is di, correct? Di crossed with, not minus di crossed with, because it is E, this is A. From the point where we have to take the moment to the point where the force is acting, that is the direction we have to take. We have taken always, observe here. When we took here, it is from the point where the moment has to be taken in the direction to the place where the force is acting. That is what we have taken as D. Similar way over here, from the point where we have to take the moment to the position where the force is acting. That is why it is D into I, positive. D into I crossed with the force. What is the force? Force is, yes, tell me.
Sir, could you explain the second diagram? I didn't get that. What is that force?
Yes. This
Sir,
diagram
sir.
you did not understand, is it not?
Sir, first of all,
Not
ಅದು
that.
counter attack ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ?
ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದರದ್ದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ನಾನು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಅದು that should act in the same direction.
Which one?
ಈಗ we should ಅದು 500 ತೆಗೆದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್,
ಹಾ,
500 ಎರಡು ಕಪಲ್ ತೆಗೆದು ನಾವು ಒಂದು 1000 ಹಾಕೋದಲ್ಲ ಈಗ.
ಹೌದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಉಂಟಪ್ಪ. 1000 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಉಂಟು, 500 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಉಂಟು, 500 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಉಂಟು ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ 1000 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ is acting like this in this direction, I have to replace.
ಹೌದು, ಅದೇ ಈಗ ಸೊ ಎಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ if we shift that 1000 towards left, ಅದು opposite direction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಸೊ opposite direction ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಈ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಈ ಕಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೌಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಆ ಕಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೌಂಟರ್
ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. It is opposite. So what is the equivalent couple? If I have an equivalent couple, by shifting this onto the left, it will create an equivalent couple which is minus 550 Newton meter.
ಹೌದು.
So minus 550 and plus 550 gets cancelled and it becomes 0.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ 0 ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು it is not like equivalent ಇದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
It is. Why not? I have to replace the force system acting on the beam by a single force of 1000 Newton.
ಹೌದು, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ 1000 Newton should give the same effect as what is happening right now ಅಲ್ಲ?
Correct.
So right now what is happening? Right now 500 Newton, that 550 Newton meter is acting towards left.
Okay, let us do the problem. I'll prove it to you. Okay.
Okay.
Let us do the problem. Let us see. Follow what I do. Okay. So now this is, okay. See, we will see at the end what is the moment acting over here. Okay. What is the moment acting at this point, at the fixed end? Correct. Hello. Yeah, tell me.
With the second diagram, could you like explain those parts?
This one.
Like, what is the force on the right side?
See, I am not done like that. I have told you this is a question. I have explained this. Okay. Now, what is that? I have to either move this over here or to this side, such that what is the distance from this A? I have to move 1000 so that I will get equivalent, effect as these three forces. Make sense? Where should I move? I can move on this direction or I can move in this direction. So I'll put it in a dashed line. Correct. So what is that? Whether this is proper or this is proper is a question mark. Making sense?
So we have to the already present 1000 Newton. We have to replace that force only with the total force, or we are adding another 1000, which need to be.
We are not adding. We are saying this is equivalent. This is equivalent to what? Either this. Let me tell you. Either this or this.
So the already present 1000 Newton, we are moving to the right or left.
Yes, we are having 1000 Newton. We are moving right or left, and saying that this particular force is equivalent to this.
Okay.
The force system given by the one.
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದರನ್ನೇ.
ಹಾ,
1000 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕೌಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು.
ಹಾ, ಓಕೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಹೌದಾ? So I'm not saying it has to be made 0. No, I'm not saying that. What we are saying, we are saying we have to create equivalent force systems. When we are saying we are creating equivalent force system, we are replacing whatever the forces are acting by a single force. To minimize our minimize our efforts or simplify the things, is it not?
Yes.
So what we are doing, the same effect what is produced by 3 forces can be used by 1 force, correct? So where that 1 force should be, that is important. Correct?
Sir, answer ಎಷ್ಟು sir?
Answer ನೋಡುವ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
2.2 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ತಪ್ಪು ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡುವ, ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡುವ. ನಾವು ಈ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1000 cos 45 I minus 1000 sin 45 J. Does make sense here? Correct. Plus 550K should be equal to 0. Make sense? Make sense, students? Hello. ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತದಂತ? What is this? This one is the force which is acting, which is 1000 Newton magnitude force. Correct? Correct, students? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so di crossed with this one plus 550K is equal to 0. Find out what is D. That's it. Any doubts here?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಅದು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ತೆಗೆದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಈ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿತದಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಡಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್
ಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಗ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. ಆಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದ ಅಂತ
ನೋಡುವ. ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡುವ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? ಎರಡು ಈಗ
Now you say, I'm saying, let me get it. Okay? Now you say that, sir, let us take sin theta, cos theta of this. Is it not? Ashutosh?
ಅದು 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. 45 ನಾವು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದು ಕೂಡ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಹೊರಿಸಾಂಟಲ್. ಡಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಡಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳುದು ನೀವು. ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಈ ಡಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿ
ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Instead of taking this as D, he said we will take this as D. We can do that. Yes.
ಹಾಗೆ
ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
ಹಾ.
ನಾವು
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು
ಆಗ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ.
IJK ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಂತ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಆಗ?
ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ IJK ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದು, ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ when you take IJK, you get additional strength in that. It might be a bit, what you say, a bit more complicated. But when it is easy, you will do it just like that. But when the things come tough, if you do not know how to resolve along IJK, you may make it still tougher, or you may land up in wrong answer when you don't know vectors. Vectors are for complicated cases, keep in mind. When it is simple, even just resolving or by intuition, you can solve it. Correct, Ashutosh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here, why I am telling, because we need to learn how to resolve into something, and we need to apply these vectorial concepts. This is vector algebra, correct? Why did we go with vector algebra? So that we will understand the concepts better. Okay? Yes. Are you appreciating what I am saying?
Yes,
Sir, that 550 KY, sir, in
550 because
Z direction.
Yes, yes. Because
Couple
when
is perpendicular, no, sir.
yeah, see, where is it? There is Y in this plane. What is this plane? 500 and 500 is acting in which plane? XY plane. Where is this distance R? In the XY plane itself, is it not? So where is the direction of the couple? Perpendicular, is it not?
Yes, sir.
It's a cross product, correct?
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Huh.
sir, I took D from fixed point, sir. So I got 2.2 from fixed point.
From which one?
Fixed point.
From
Fixed
fixed
circle.
point, you got 2.2.
Yeah.
Let us see. You are right, Baba. You are right. You are right. This D, what you're getting is actually, according to this, is 0.778 meters. So if you got from fixed point 2.2, you are right. Everybody understood how this has to be done? Hello. Hello, students.
Sir, I am a little confused why you took like 1000 Newton again in the opposite direction in the third figure.
I'm not taking in the opposite direction. At E, I'm equating 1000 Newton here, 1000 Newton here. Okay. And this 1000 Newton and sorry, this 1000 Newton and this 1000 Newton produces a couple. Okay, so now equivalent will be, now let me put it again. The equivalent will be like this. So this one which is acting here, is equivalent to this being 3 meters, this being 2.2 meters. Makes sense.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Like could you put the previous slide? Yeah, I got it, sir. But
so now let us understand. Let us understand this. Okay. So now again, now if I have this line, let me draw a line here. Let me draw a line. Okay. Now here, let us have here 1000 Newton. Now here you have an equivalent couple 550. correct? Now, if I have to move this to here, then what I should do? I should have 1000 here, 1000 here, so that the equivalent here cancels, is it not? Actually, it's 0, right? 1000 here. So this 1000 and this 1000 counteracts this 550, correct?
Yeah.
What remains here? Now this can be equivalent to at this point 1000 Newton plus a 550 Newton here, and then you have 550 Newton here. Makes sense? 550 Newton meter here, correct? These two cancels because the free vectors can be moved anywhere, correct? So this is equivalent to 1000 Newton at a distance of 2.2. This is at a distance of 2.2. This distance over here, this distance was 3 meters. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Everyone?
Could you write equation for the second diagram? This one.
For this one, this
For
diagram, this one.
Yeah. No, the below one.
This one.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Like as it is in the diagram. Could you write equation for me?
What equation should you write?
Sir, I mean equate the left hand side and right hand side.
No, we can write equivalent. What is equivalent? You have this. I did not get you. What is right hand side and what is left hand side here?
Sir, like for previous when we did the couple, like when we like moved one force to the another point using couple, we introduced at that point, right?
Correct.
So like could you write the same for this?
See here, the same thing here. Observe here. I'm not doing two different things. It's the same one here. Okay. Now what should happen? The equivalent couple should go to 0. Correct. So this is D here. So what I'm moving here D. I'm moving such a way that this D I'm moving in such a way that my D into I crossed with this 1000. What is that 1000? 1000 cos 45 I minus 1000 sine 45 J should be equal to 550 Newton meter, correct?
Yeah.
Makes sense? Sorry, plus 550 Newton meter is equal to 0, correct?
Yeah. Got it.
That's how it should be.
Yeah.
Clear, students? Chalo then, we will meet again at 11:30 with velocity and acceleration mechanics itself. Okay.
That didn't work, sir. My at that approach did not work. I got wrong answer.
Okay. You should not get wrong answer.
I did the 1000 into E, where E is the perpendicular distance between those two vectors, our vector and the original vector, equal to 550.
Yes.
1000 into V equal to 550. So I got E as 0.55. Then E cos theta equal to D. Then D I will be getting as 0.707.
Correct. No,
778, right? What is the answer?
78 we are getting, is it not? Yes.
707 and 778.
You have done some mistake, Baba. You should get it like that, right? Even there also. Okay, you must not get it wrong. Okay, you have done some mistake in calculations. The method you have set is right only. So what you are saying, you should produce the equivalent couple here, which is equal to 550, is it not?
Yes, sir. So 1000 into
E here.
1000 into E.
1000 into E
Equal
should be
to
equal to 550, correct?
Yes.
1000 into E should be equal to 550 Newton meter, correct? Okay. So now this E is 550 by 1000, which is 0.55, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now this 0.55 divided by, we should have, so E cos 45 is equal to D, correct? So, yeah, E cos 45 is equal to D.
D. Yes, since it is 45, other side also will be 45. Because that is 90 then.
Wait a minute. What did I mean? This is E, okay? E cos 45, okay? E cos 45, correct? E cos 45 is 0.550. Yeah, here this is the problem, students. When we don't use our this one, we will go wrong in concepts. Okay. So when we go through the concept, now here to resolve this, we have to go again to vectors only. So why not go with vectors initially only, so that we will not have trouble at all?
Yes, but I guess this was comparatively easier.
See, easier, yes, but we should not make problem, is it not?
Yes, sir.
If easier is, when we go with easier, if we go with the wrong answer, we will not get that marks also, is it not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whenever we go for shortcuts, that is one of the main thing. People go directly with the shortcuts and they fall into ditch because of that. They fall into trouble because of the shortcuts. Shortcuts we have to go, but after knowing what is the concepts.
Yes, sir.
Correct? I'm not saying shortcuts should not be gone. Shortcuts should be there. Because
yes,
without shortcut speed, how will it come?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But shortcuts should be done after we understand the concept, first of all.
Yes, sir.
So that we will not fall into trouble. We will increase the speed, but we will not fall into trouble.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct. So let me go through this. This shows to be wrong here. Let us understand this. I will tell you that. Okay. So it is 0.5 into 0.55 cos 45. I will see. This should not be wrong in my opinion. We have made some mistake in the concepts.
Yes, sir.
0.388 you get. I'll go through it, okay? I'll go through it and I will tell you where is the trouble, okay? Don't think you must have it.
Slide, sir.
Yes, please. One of the main trouble we get in GATE when we go with the V2 approach is that we have some habits, okay, of rushing into the answers, okay, without seeing the question properly and not knowing the proper methods. That will create troubles, okay. One second, mister. Is there anybody who did not understand the concepts? Now, when I say VTU, I include Nitya and Manipal also because we are of the same culture. There's no much difference in the culture, okay? Actually, all the new VTU colleges have simply followed Manipal and Nitya. Okay, the culture in our coastal region is the same. Because when these colleges started, it was only Nitya and Manipal which were there, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me,
So
any doubts?
DI cos 1000 cos 45 minus 1000 sin 45j plus that equation is another 550k is equal to 0.
Yes.
They're like,
how did that 1000 fall?
No, 1000 cos 45 sin 45 understood, sir. I don't understand. Why are they equating to 0? Is that like summation of force is equal to 0 or something?
It is like because we should not have a moment acting.
Okay,
we should replace by one what is a force only.
Okay. So like further steps will be what? Like it is DI vector cross of this full thing.
Yes. Yes.
1000 cos 45 minus 1000 sin 45 plus 550k. That is the full vector. That is also one vector.
Yes, that is one vector that should go to 0. Like now, when I do this, what I get when you do this part, cross product, I, J, K, then you get D, 0, 0. Then you have 1000 cos 45, 1000 minus 1000 sin 45, like that you'll get, is it not? Plus 0,
Yes.
correct? 1000 cos 45 minus 1000 sin 45, like that, okay?
K is 0, sir.
K is 0.
Oh, that 550K separate.
Separate, yes. This will give you some thing, like you'll have, this will come as K only, observe here. This comes 1000 sin 45K.
Yes, sir.
Do it. When you put pen on paper, only then you understand. Okay, do not skip the methods. Do not skip. Be meticulous.
I made a mistake by taking 550K also as part of that vector.
No, it's not. Plus here. Don't worry. See, Shane, you may feel that now you're slow, but it is not actually slow. You're understanding the concepts. Okay. So people who think that we are slow, we are getting these people only shine later on. So Shane will shine, don't worry. Okay. I've seen various students going like that only. Okay. I hope you understood, Shane. Let us take a break.
Yes, sir.